Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adding an Android library module inside your app project so you can iterate quickly. This gives you a buildable SDK artifact. Once created, pick your minimum SDK and package name and choose Kotlin or Java sources. Next, create the public API surface, interfaces, models, and any service classes, and include a minimal Android manifest. XML for permissions or exported components. Make sure to separate implementation details into internal packages to avoid breaking consumers later. Once your module compiles, configure the Gradle coordinates and publishing. Add group ID, artifact ID, and a clear version name. Use the Maven Publish plugin to produce an AAR plus sources and JavaDoc artifacts so consumers get docs. Define dependencies with API for exposed types and implementation for internals. This prevents leaking transitive libraries. Then wire a sample app to consume the local AAR or Maven repository to validate integration. Finally, run assemble release and inspect the AAR contents to confirm resources and manifests are correct. For release, follow semantic versioning. Update version name and version code, tag the commit, and prepare a changelog so users understand changes. Configure artifact signing and publish to Maven Central or your internal nexus, making sure credentials and PGP keys are secure. Provide README and quick start snippets, and attach sources and JavaDoc. If consumers report runtime crashes or missing methods, enable Gradle info. Verify progard/minify mapping, and ensure consumer progard files are shipped. That usually resolves missing symbol or resource merging issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.